Number 1. Look and answer. 1. Are there any sharks? No, there aren't any sharks. 2. How many crabs are there? There are 3 crabs. 3. Are there any starfish? Yes, there are 4 starfish. 4. Are there any dolphins? No, there aren't any dolphins. 5. How many octopuses are there? There is 1 octopus. 6. Are there any turtles? Yes, there are 2 turtles. Number 2. Complete with the words from the box. Today we are going to visit the aquarium. I am going with my mother and father. We are going to learn about all the animals that live in the sea. At the aquarium I can see my favorite animals, dolphins. Number 3. Label the diagram and answer the question. 1. Dorsal fin. 2. Tail. 3. Teeth. 4. Eyes. 5. Gills. How do sharks breathe? They use their gills.